Top 10. Best pocket knife under $50 are expensive. However, you have to consider whether or not you really need those bells and whistles. Number 10. Buck Knives 0371 BRS Stockman. Sheep's foot blade, a 2.75-inch clip point and a 2-inch spay. If you need a knife for making clean cuts, the sheep's foot blade will do the job for you. If you need one for skinning, the spay blade will be of great help. The pocket knife is very versatile. Its wood grain handle looks great. It has a lifetime warranty. Number 9. Imperial Schrade M16S Stockman. Choice. This folding pocket knife has 3 different blades. The handle features stainless steel bolsters, heat-treated back springs and brass pins. If you prefer a pocket knife with a stainless steel blade, the M16S Stockman is a good choice. The knife is very durable. It is an excellent everyday carry. The blade is sharp. Number 8. Kershaw 1556T Cryo 2. Kershaw knives has a steel blade and a 410 handle that are both made with titanium carbonitride coating. The knife features both a flipper and a thumb stud as well as speed-safe assisted opening. Both made with titanium carbonitride coating. The pocket knife looks great. Its frame lock is tough. Its 4-position clip is excellent. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best pocket knife under $50 or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 7. Master Carbon Fiber Drop Point. The feature is the carbon fiber drop point from Master Cutlery Knives. Its black blade is made of stainless steel while its handle is made of carbon fiber camo nylon fiber. The carbon fiber drop point is for those who are looking for a functional knife with a plain look. The knife is very sharp. It is lightweight but durable. Assisted opening is very smooth. Number 6. MtechXtreme Ballistic Assisted. The market today is the Xtreme from Mtech. This spring-assisted knife has a 2-tone black stainless steel blade that is half serrated. One of the best assisted tactical flipper knives on the market today is the Xtreme from Mtech. This spring-assisted knife has a 2-tone black stainless. It is multifunctional. It has a comfortable grip. It has a very sharp tip. Number 5. Elkridge Wood Hunting Gentleman. Folding pocket knife from Elkridge Knives is an excellent choice for those who are looking for a knife that features spring-assisted opening. The Wood Hunting Gentleman knife has a black drop point, blade made of black stainless steel and a dark brown Paca wood handle. The pocket knife looks great. Its clip is of high quality. Its blade and spring mechanism are excellent. Number 4. Victorinox Swiss Army Classic SD, for a pocket knife with a lifetime guarantee. Its stainless steel blade is coated with polished translucent ruby ABS scales. The Victorinox Classic SD has 7 functions: scissors, tweezers, screwdriver, keyring, toothpick and nail file. The knife looks sleek. It is lightweight but very sturdy. It fits comfortably in your pocket. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best pocket knife under $50 or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops 17 High Carbon Stainless Steel. If you are looking for the best pocket knife under $50 that you can carry in your car, the Extreme Ops SWA-24S is a great choice. Its handle incorporates a liner lock, an index flipper and a pocket clip. Knife is lightweight but very durable. It has ambidextrous thumb knobs. The blade is razor sharp. Number 2. TACForce EMT EMS Rescue. EMT Shield logo. This rescue folding pocket knife has a belt cutter, a glass breaker, a pocket clip, a quick open flipper and built-in ambidextrous thumb studs. The stainless steel blade of the EMT EMS, which features a black finish. The blade is very sharp. It has ambidextrous thumb studs. The handles are durable. Number 1. BlizeTec 14 Function Tactical. 14 different multi-tool kits. The BlizeTec 14 Function comes with a quality nylon pouch. This red-violet knife features non-spring assisted blades, which are made of 420 stainless steel, and a non-slip aluminum handle. It is very useful at home. It has an ambidextrous design. It has an excellent bottle opener. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best pocket knife under $50 or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.